Hello, beautiful. I have some announcements for you, things that are coming up at the Power of Love Ministry. One of the things I'm really excited about is a new program that we're doing for the very first time called Change Your Mind About Yourself. And this is a deep dive into changing our mind about who we are, what we are, and our awakening awareness. So I have enlisted some of my dear friends who are doing this work right alongside us. I've got Alan Cohen and Gary Renard and Lisa Natoli, Mark Anthony Lord, Reverend Myron Jones, and John Mundy, and James Twyman, and Terry Wade, all Course in Miracles teachers who are on a path of awakening and who can share with you what they are doing to speed up their awakening. So it's changing your mind about yourself. That's what we're doing, that identification, moving it to pure spirit. Another thing, activating faith and trust for a happier life. That's a workshop Saturday, April 12th. We've got the Power of Love in-person retreat with me in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Fabulous retreat center. We're going to have fun and do some deep healing work and rise up together. Then April 28th, I have my prayer hour class. It's a 4-class series. People love this class. I've been doing it every year for a long time. And if you would like to deepen your spiritual practice with effective, powerful prayer, come and join me. And then Easter weekend, the 19th of April, Saturday, I'm doing another free forgiveness workshop. So those are just some of the things that are coming up at the Power of Love Ministry. I hope to see you soon. Mwah.